We just finished our product review ritual, where for 4 days, our 25 product teams publish their launches in each of their products. The priority for all the teams is to enable the artificial intelligence through our agent One, so as to automate and simplify dramatically the life for our users. By the way, now One is also available in mobile. So let's start with our section of operations within a product. We have worked in a new foundational concept of Factorial. That is the concept of policies. From now on, we will strive to help our users to write proper policies. Time of policies, expense policies, compensation policies. From those policies, we are able to configure automatically Factorial and help the managers in the everyday perform their approvals and their actions. And also to answer questions to the employees based on the policies. Also from One, now managers can ask when their employees are available, where can they set their shifts, and One will answer with the best recommendation possible. In our analytics section, we also create predefined reports, where it will be very easy to access your data. For example, this employee termination report. Let's move to the talent section of our product. Here, we'll start with our brand new product, the LMS, Learning Management System. Our LMS will allow companies to create courses from scratch. For example, from a PDF or set of PDFs that One will take and will convert them into a course, and will automatically create the exam tests to validate that the employees have understood the concepts. Also, One can now create surveys from a prompt. Our user will be able to refine these surveys while creating them through One. In the performance review section, we've created the concept of action plans that now can be signed by managers and employees. This is specifically a legal mandate in France. In the product of recruitment, we have automated the process of creation of an offer letter. Now, by fulfilling the variables, the offer letter will be created automatically from a template, and we will use the same information as a basis for the contract. So now let's move to the finance section of our product. Here, by using our concept of policies, we're able to configure the flow of approval of expenses. So now, when an employee creates an expense, One will tell them that don't comply with the policy. Or when the manager needs to approve an expense, One will help them to see if it complies or not with the policy. We have also simplified the concept of per diem expenses, particularly important in Germany. We've introduced the concept of full-time equivalent. So now finance and HR can compare different teams, different headcounts with the same full-time equivalent. In our procurement product, we have also worked in enabling more complex configuration use cases, where in parallel, different teams can approve a purchase request. In our project management product, we have added the ability to create a quote and automatically from the quote plan the different phases of a project. So I'm coming to an end. Let me ask One if I'm missing something.
There's one thing that connects HR, finance, and IT, an employee's first day. Does this sound familiar? HR hires top talent, but on day one, when the person arrives, no laptop, no email access, nobody knows which software they should have access to, or nobody knows who needs to give them permissions in Slack. This is the broken telephone effect, a bad start. With Factorial IT, we have removed that gap. We have turned onboarding into a 3-click process. Literally, when HR creates a new employee in Factorial, we ship a fully configured laptop to the employee's homes or office, and create their software accounts too. From minute 1, they are productive. But where you really save money is in offboarding. When someone leaves, who remembers to cancel all those licenses or to recover the laptop? With Factorial IT, you can do that automatically. We cut access and retrieve the laptop in 1 click. And one last critical point, security. Right now, if a laptop is lost in a taxi or a bar, it's a nightmare. How long would it take you today to block a device that gets lost or stolen? With Factorial IT, you can block and wipe any device within 30 seconds, thanks to our MDM that works with Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. On top of that, we give you the full tooling, so that when the ISO 27001 or SOC 2 auditor shows up, you can pass your audit in one click. Employees, devices, and licenses, all in Factorial IT. Am I missing something?